Hey guys, back again with a quick product overview. I wanted to talk about the C&H Precision version 3 RMR plate for Glock MOS, also for the Holosun, because it shares the same footprint. I just wanted to give a really quick view of what you get with it, talk about some of the features very quickly, and then also show mounted on the slide really quick and kind of show a little bit how it installs. Really simple. So right here, what you see is you get 4 screws that will mount. These are the little bit longer screws. These actually mount the RMR to the plate itself. You get 4 of those, and then these 2 screws, the shorter ones, will mount the plate to the slide. So they are both an Allen key, but they're a really good Allen key on there, really deep and cut very well. So I think they'll be fine, snugging down and getting back off when you need to. Now I brought out, I do have a Glock plate here. This is not an RMR plate. I do have an example of one over here that I'll show you. So this is the Glock Kit that you would get, different plates, and I would say, it's pretty obvious that the RMR is the most popular optic out there, and that plate is right here. It's really just the 2 posts and then the 2 screws to apply it to your slide, and then 2 holes here to mount the optic to the plate. Really simple. Here is a Glock plate that is not for the RMR but similar, and I brought it out because it's not in the package and I can kind of show it to you next to this. But this plate from C&H Precision is definitely thinner. This is super lightweight. It's probably about half the weight of a Glock MOS plate. This is aluminum. It's machined extremely well. Looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Here's some more comparison dimensions. If we can get that to focus. Get them together there. Just a touch thinner on this side, which is great. The other thing you'll notice is this plate from C&H is wider, and we'll talk about that in a minute, but you'll notice dimension-wise it is a little bit wider than the Glock plate. So the way this works is it will sit on your slide just like the other Glock plates. Sit in the same spot. It fits in there nice and snug, and then you would take your shorter screws and mount that to the plate, and then your optic with the longer screws would sit on top. Now you'll notice that the optic sits just a touch lower. It looks really nice, a nice finished look to it. The other thing you'll notice, I don't have the dot on right now just because I wanted you to be able to see down. Because the optic sits a little bit lower, standard suppressor height sights are a bit more usable, because with standard Glock plates, they do make the optic sit a little bit higher, so you usually need to get a little bit higher sights. So this being a touch lower makes these more usable. And I do like the standard height suppression sights. I don't like the extra tall ones. It seems to be a little excessive, so this is nice that it's more usable. Back to when I mentioned earlier, this plate is a little bit wider. If you notice that when the optic sits on this plate, the bottom is completely covered. So there is a rubber gasket, or O-ring, whatever you want to call it, that runs along the bottom of the RMR. That ring, or that rubber contact, is what needs to be in contact all the way around. So when you put this on this C&H Precision plate, it's completely encased and sealed. If you were to put it on, again, this is not the RMR one, but when you put it on this one, the RMR, it's narrower, so you can't seal up the gasket on the bottom, which is nice. What that also does is it also gets it lower on the slide, albeit it's very minimal, but it is lower on the slide. So again, really quick, I just wanted to cover that so you guys could see it, get a little bit better idea of what you get with it. Here's the paperwork that comes with it. It's just all in a plastic bag with the screws and the plate that I showed you. There are instructions on the bag when you get it. There'll be a sticker here, and it will explain to you how to properly tighten the screws, set everything up, and put it on properly. Obviously, you want to use you know, a little bit of blue Loctite to make sure that the screws don't back out. I don't anticipate any problems with this aluminum plate. I think it'll be nice and strong. It's built well. It's machined well. Very happy with the purchase. I think it'll be great once I can get out there and shoot with it and put some time on it. And then I can do another review about that. If you guys have any questions or would like to have or like to put any comments down below, please do so. Please subscribe if you'd like. Look for more videos in the future, and thanks for watching.